Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to introduce our pipe machine. For this pipe machine, we have the manual decoiler, and then this is the feeding part of the machine. The steel coil going to the feeding part, and now the leveling to make the steel coil flat, and now the punching. The punching device. This pipe has many different holes, as you can see. And now the moving into the forming part of the machine. This pipe is different. As you can see, the shape are formed step by step, and slowly to be seamed. Okay, now we could see the final product. This tube is not a square tube. In one corner it is round, and you can see its semi connecting part is well connected. And this is sewing, cutting. The final product is